everybody. This is your girl Tammy. I am back. Yes, the girl is back with another video, but this time it is a hair review, okay? And before I get started, those of you who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and thank you for stopping by to visit your girl, okay? Well, anyway, before I get into this, you guys, if you're new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. And if you like the content that I'm bringing here, go ahead, give your girls a thumbs up, and let's get into this video. This wig review is with Luvme Hair, okay? And I want to tell you guys what I got with my box. It came in a cute little box. Let me show you the box. I've taken everything out of the box, but I want to show you. It came in this cute box wrapped with a beautiful bow, but because I've already unwrapped it. And I received a $5 gift card. I also received some nice little goodies for baby hairs. I guess this is a little comb you can do for baby hairs, but I don't normally use, put baby hairs on my wigs. Came in this cute little bag. I got a wig cap, and they also sent me this mirror that has Luvme Hair, which is really, really cute, okay? And a wig wrap, so that helps lay your lace down if you bond your wig down. And that's it, you guys. So let me show you the specs. Well, not the specs. Let me show you the inside construction of the wig. Okay, you have a comb to your right, comb to your left. You have a comb in the center. You have a 13x4 lace frontal, okay? There is a comb in the back of this wig and a band that laid the wig down, okay? This wig is a curly wig, brown curly wig, and it has some beautiful, look at those highlights, some highlight in the wig, okay? So let me put this wig on so you guys can see how the wig is going to look. I want to put it on just so you guys can look at it, see how I install the wig. Oh, I love the color already, y'all, let me tell ya. Okay, so I'm gonna lay it down here. So it's really snug. I'm gonna tell you, if you have a big head, ooh, this may not be for you. It's a medium, I wanna say this is a medium cap-size wig, and I'm gonna pull this lace down so you really can get a good look of, and you really, this is a one wig that you do not have to bond. So I wanted you to get a good look at the hairline of the wig. So it's already pre-plucked. I'm gonna pull it a little because I don't want my cap to show, but look at that, the lace on the side here. You guys see that lace? Really, really good. Over here. I like it. Alright, so fit it on really good. So now I'm going to show you guys how I cut my lace. And I couldn't find my small scissors. I have no idea where they are. So let's get this. When I cut my lace, I'm using these big scissors. So I always start right here. And then I'm gonna take these and cut it here in the middle. That I have my lace cut, so all the way around. Now I'm not going to bond this down because it doesn't need it. It's just really laying really flat on my head. So what I'm going to do is I am going to wet it. This is nothing but water, all water, y'all. So I can tell you what it's going to look like just by me wetting it like this. With the other side. Now, I'm going to say I am getting a little shedding, but it's to be expected. This is a curly wig. So normally with the curly wigs, they shed a little bit, which it's to be expected. Okay, so with that, so yes, I am getting shedding from the wig, but you know what? It's not a lot of hair, not a lot, but, and then I'm gonna take the brush here. I use this brush here because it curls really, really good. Brush the hair down. Give you a 360 and I'll turn around in my back. Okay, now, and that's just with using water. That's just with water. And I like to spray some conditioner mist. I use this Cantu Shea Butter Hydrating Leave-In Conditioning. I like to spray some little conditioner on the wig. Okay. And I also use this Cantu Wave Whip Curling Mousse. And what I love about this mousse is it doesn't make the hair hard. That's what I like about it. And it helps give it that, you know, the curling definition that you want. So, here we go. Cute wig, you guys. I love it. There is nothing, let me tell you my pros, okay? I'm gonna give you guys my pros and my cons about the wig, and comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this baby right here. I just feel like she's adorable. Okay, let's talk about the pros. So let me tell you about my pros, about the pros and the cons about the wig. There was some shedding, which is to be expected because it's a curly wig. And normally the curly wigs, you know, you have some shedding. Another con is the cap. The wig cap is a 22.5. So if your head is bigger than that, I don't think this wig will be for you. It is a medium cap. And on my head, it is snugged, okay? It's snugged. I didn't have to use any bonding or tighten the wig or anything like that. But it's not a big head friendly wig. Those are my cons. Now my pros, I love the color. This color is amazing. The hair is very soft. The lace, I love the lace. I like the lace. I wish it was like an invisible lace, but it does. I mean, you really can't see that lace, you know. The lace is fine, you know. Nothing bad about the lace. I would like to have the invisible lace, but this is okay. Okay, the lace is fine. I wanted to show you the parting space. I love the parting space, and I don't have a comb, but just so you know that you can part this wig any way you want. Look at that. You can part it there. You can part it wherever, whatever you want to do with the wig. If I just wanted to have the wig to just go like this and style it to my right and just didn't want to have a center part, you can do that. What I would do is I would take a pressing comb, press this down, you know, but I wanted the center part. So, but I just wanted to show you guys that you could part the wig anywhere. So those are my pros and my cons about the wig. When it dry, I can see that it's going to be real nice curly wig. I gave you guys the 360, so I mean, that's it. Let me see. I see you in the next one. I have my final review. So my final review of this wig is, it's gorgeous. Hair is soft, the lace, everything. I love the way the color is. The color really matches my complexion, so I love this wig. I love the way it's cut. Y'all see that cut? Look at that. That cut is the bomb. You see how it goes like that? The cut is off the chain. So I love the wig. Thank you, Luvme Hair, for collabing with me on this review. The hair is amazing. I love the wig. There was some shedding, but other than that, the wig, I love it. So again, thank you, Luvme Hair, for collabing with me on this wig review. And you guys have an amazing day. And guess what? You know, if you are interested in purchasing this wig, I have some information in the description box. There's a link that you can get a discount on this particular wig if you are looking to have a nice summer look. This is a beautiful wig for summer. You know what I mean? It's a gorgeous wig for summer. It's light on my head. It's not heavy. It's really not on my neck. So if you're one of those like, hey, I don't want no hair all on my neck, it's too hot, this is a perfect summer wig for the beach, okay? So go ahead, the link is down in the description box, and you guys have a great, amazing day. Bye-bye.